美国纽约的地铁最近爆出几件暴力犯罪事件，所以纽约市长就宣布会开始检查旅客牌影甲行李。纽约州长嘛讲会派1000个州警甲国民兵来协助地铁巡逻，另外嘛禁止有攻击乘客的人去坐地铁。
地铁站人真多，有穿着制服也个配穿的国民兵伫咧巡逻。地铁警察设伫检查站检查乘客牌影，因为纽约地铁伫最近连连发生暴力犯罪事件，州长霍克宣布，自即礼拜开始加派250位州警，也个有750位国民兵，总共1000人伫咧地铁巡逻，检查旅客随身的物品，希望让乘客感觉较安全。
Bag checks will be conducted by over 1,000 members of the New York State Police, MTA Police, National Guard. In addition to what the city is doing, we're coordinating with the city of New York so people will see this. A bill to allow judges to ban people from using the subway, people who attack others and are convicted of a violent crime.
除了检查行李，也个提出法案，让法官会当禁止被定罪攻击惯犯坐大众运输工具。 并且伫咧车厢内加装监视器，特别是伫咧驾驶员的车厢。不过民众对检查牌影的措施看法无啥共款。
Recently, yeah, it's been a little unsafe. So I think they should kind of like control it before it gets out of hand.
I don't want them nobody searching my bag for what?
纽约的地铁系统自今年以来已经发生97件攻击事件，比去年同期加13件。 州政府讲，警察会当随机要求可疑的乘客，把随身的行李开检查。国民兵是美国各州政府的武装部队，各大重要交通设施常常看到国民兵也穿伫咧巡逻。不过学者讲，安尼时做可能唔是上好的选择。
I think it might be a wrong read because most people are uncomfortable with powerful artillery, military uniforms. That tends to signal things that we often see on television for countries that may be less developed than the United States. We call on the military often as last resort.
新的维安措施得到纽约市运输系统工会懊恼，因过一寡自由派人士质疑侵害人身自由。州长霍克讲，乘客有权利拒绝执法人员检查随身的物品，不过可能就因此无法度入去地铁系统坐车。公司新闻张伟林编辑。